Ever heard of the solar tax credit? It's a financial incentive for going solar in your home or business. How does it work? Good question. The federal tax incentive allows you to claim 30% of the cost of your solar energy system. So let's do the math. If the solar energy system costs $20,000, that means you receive a $6,000 credit that you can apply towards your federal tax bill. So what happens if you don't have any tax liability or the credit exceeds that liability? Well, the credit can be carried forward into future tax years. Depending on in which state you reside, you may be eligible for other rebates in combination with the federal credit. Call us today. We believe that an informed decision is key to long-term savings. We provide a detailed, personalized quote that empowers you to make an educated choice. Contact us to embark on your journey towards substantial lasting savings for years to come. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.